Welcome to Burlap Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put a website online. First, you'll need to choose a memorable domain name that truly represents your brand or personal project. This is your website's address on the internet. Next, select a reliable web hosting provider to store all your site's files and data. Understanding the distinction between registering your domain and securing hosting is a crucial initial step. Once you have your domain and hosting, it's time to build your site. You can use a website builder for ease or custom code for more control. After creation, upload your website files to your hosting server, often using cPanel's file manager or an FTP client. Finally, configure your DNS settings to correctly point your domain name to your web host, making your site discoverable. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide on putting your website online helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. On another note, keep your workspace clean while you build your digital empire with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It features voice control, self-emptying, and is pet-friendly, making cleanup a breeze. Check the description for a link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Before going live, thoroughly test your website on various browsers and devices to ensure everything functions perfectly. Next, secure your site with an SSL certificate, which encrypts data and boosts your search engine ranking. Remember, launching is just the beginning. Consistent maintenance, including content and software updates, is vital for long-term success and security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.